Satyanath ji, distinguished dignitaries, my esteemed friends from industry and business, आप सभी को मेरा सादर नमस्कार। उत्तर प्रदेश ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर्स समिट विकास का एक महाकुंभ है। यहाँ दूसरी बार आना मेरे लिए सौभाग्य की बात है। लखनऊ पुण्य नगरी है, लक्ष्मण की नगरी है। उत्तर प्रदेश पुण्य भूमि है, प्रभु रामचंद्र जी की भूमि है। गंगा यमुना सरस्वती के संगम की भूमि है। परम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, our nation has transformed remarkably since you have become Prime Minister in 2014. Guided by your vision and driven by your laser-sharp focus on execution, a bold new India is taking shape. An India which will fulfill the aspirations of its 1.4 billion citizens. Modi ji, you have aptly said that India has now entered its Amrit Kal. This year's budget has indeed laid the foundation for India's emergence as a developed nation. It stands out for its highest ever resource allocation for building the foundation for country's growth in terms of capital expenditure. This is bound to not only boost economic growth but also achieve greater social welfare. I am confident that India is on a very strong growth path, and there are four main reasons for my conviction. First, Indians are embracing technology at a rate unseen even in the developed world. For example, as we speak, this year, 2023, India is rolling out the fastest 5G network through the length and breadth of our country. Second, India has the world's largest population of youth. Our youth is brimming with entrepreneurial energy and passion. Their innovations and ideas will take the world by storm. Third, thanks to your far-sighted leadership, regional imbalances are fast disappearing. Uttar Pradesh is a shining example of this. The divide between urban India and rural Bharat is also closing. Fourth, and most importantly, you have brought about a fundamental change in the mindset of the nation. There is unprecedented hope and optimism among the people. Nobody in the world can question the fundamentals of Indian economy. They are robust. And now is the time for all our enterprises to step up on the accelerator. Because Udyog and Sahyog always must go hand in hand. सम्माननीय श्री योगी जी, जैसे आज पूरी दुनिया के लिए भारत आशा का केंद्र बन गया है, वैसे ही आज नए भारत के लिए उत्तर प्रदेश आशा का केंद्र बन गया है। नोएडा से गोरखपुर तक लोगों में जोश और उत्साह दिख रहा है। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की बात हो, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात हो, ईज ऑफ डूइंग की बात हो, उत्तर प्रदेश भारत का उत्तम प्रदेश बनकर उभर रहा है। UP is also blessed with a highly motivated and result-oriented administration. Therefore, all of us representing India's business community at this summit would like to assure you that we have come to partner with you in your Vision 2030. Together, we can and we will transform India's most populous state into one of India's most prosperous states, achieving your vision of a $1 trillion economy in the next 5 years. Allow me to spell out Reliance's commitments towards Uttar Pradesh. First, Jio will complete its rollout of 5G to cover every town and village in this state by December of 2023, that is in 10 months from today. Jio platforms will help modernize all areas of business and industry, agriculture, social sector, and governance. We plan to pilot our 2 new innovative initiatives, Jio School and Jio AI Doctor, to bring top-class education and healthcare most affordably to villages and small towns across the state of Uttar Pradesh. Second, Reliance Retail will revolutionize hundreds of thousands of kiranas and small stores across UP, enabling them to grow more and earn more. More importantly, we will increase manifold our sourcing of a wide range of agriculture and non-agro products from the state. It will benefit our hard-working kisans, local artisans, craftsmen, MSMEs, as well as the supply chain ecosystem in UP. Third, in new energy, we will set up 10 gigawatts of renewable energy capacity, the largest in UP. We will also start an ambitious new bioenergy business. Reliance के bioenergy उद्योग से यूपी के किसानों को बहुत बड़ा लाभ होगा. हमारे किसान अन्नदाता तो है ही, अब ऊर्जादाता भी बनेंगे. इसके अलावा सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट में सुधार होगा और पर्यावरण शुद्ध होगा. Fourth, our philanthropic arm, Reliance Foundation, is contributing to the success of Pradhan Mantri Ji's Namami Gange mission. It will continue to engage with partners and government in its mission to transform lives and livelihoods in the state. In a nutshell, Reliance will continue to work for UP, Ji Jaan se, and we always back our words with action. When I last visited the summit in 2018, Reliance was just beginning its journey in Uttar Pradesh, and I had committed to Yogi Ji that Reliance would be a reliable partner to Uttar Pradesh. True to our word, from that date till now, we have invested 50,000 crores in Uttar Pradesh. Our businesses have not only been growth multipliers, as they enable several sectors of the economy to grow, but also employment multipliers. Our investments have generated over 80,000 direct and indirect jobs in the state. Today, I am happy to announce that we plan to invest an additional 75,000 crores in UP over the next 4 years across Jio, retail, and renewable businesses. These new investments will create an additional over 1 lakh jobs in the state. उत्तर प्रदेश का स्वर्णिम युग शुरू हुआ है. सभी यूपी वासियों को मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. I wish this summit and the state all the success. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you.